Hi, welcome to Turkish lessons. My name is Yasin Drak. Today, guys, I would like to help you learn how to use the prepositions in Turkish. As you know, there are some prepositions you use to describe where things or where people are. For example, you can say in the room or in the house or in the cafeteria, on the road or on the corner or over the house, for example, like these things. So I will help you learn in Turkish how to use them. So I will start first of all with one simple example. I want to show you something here. As you see, this is a pencil, guys. Okay, so in Turkish we say for this kalem, kalem, kalem. Okay, kalem. So kalem, as you see, kalem here is in my hand. So in English we say the pencil is in my hand, right? That's right. Okay, so I can say in Turkish kalem elimin içinde. I will repeat one more time. Kalem elimin içinde. Repeat one more time. Kalem elimin içinde. Okay, so I think it's clear enough. So we use this like this. Another example I would like to give you, for example, where am I now? Now I am in the room. Okay, so I can say, I will say it in English and in Turkish as well, of course. I am in the room. Okay, I'm in the room. In Turkish we say, ben odanın içindeyim. Ben odanın içindeyim. Okay? Alright, I think it's clear enough. So I will repeat one more time. Ben odanın içindeyim. Okay. So I think it's clear enough for you. Now let's get to in front of. Okay, how to use in front of. For example, now the computer, which I use actually now, is in front of me. Yes, that's right. Yeah, the computer is in front of me. So I will say it in Turkish. What will I say? I will say the computer is in front of me. All right. So in Turkish we say bilgisayar benim önümde. Bilgisayar benim önümde. Okay, or you can say önümdedir. Önümdedir. This is same actually, same as önümde. All right, for example, the microphone is in front of me. Actually, that's correct. In Turkish we say mikrofon benim önümde. Önümdedir. Önümdedir. Okay. But you don't need to use the dir, at the end of the sentence. We don't use it much actually. We just keep it short. Önümde. Finish. Alright, so you will learn the preposition on. Okay, so in Turkish we say on üzerinde. 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 Alright, so my example will be now I am sitting on the couch. Okay, so I will make it in Turkish, which I made now, the sentence. Ben şimdi kanepenin üzerindeyim. Ben şimdi kanepenin üzerindeyim. Üzerinde. Okay? I think it's okay for you. If not okay, just write me your comments, please, after this video is published on YouTube. Okay, so I taught you in front of, and on. Okay, I think it's clear. So let's repeat these three examples one more time. For in, we say içinde. In, içinde. In front of, we say önünde. Önünde. And on, we say üzerinde. Üzerinde. Let's see another examples. Okay, now I will show you one thing here. Okay, this is a pillow, okay? Alright? Or you can say cushion, whatever you say, pillow. Okay, so I will say this cushion is next to me. Bu yastık benim yanımda. Bu yastık benim yanımda. Okay, so we say yanımda, next to, next to. Or you can say bitişiğinde. Either of them is correct for us, no problem. You can say that. So, if something is behind you, and you can say arkasında, behind, arkasında. Okay, for example, as you see, there is a wall behind me. So I will say in English, there is a wall, or you can say, the wall is behind me. The wall is behind me. In Turkish we say, duvar, duvar benim arkamda. Duvar benim arkamda. So we say arka, arka. But I use there am. Okay, why? Because to show who it is. Am, me. So that's why I use arkam, arkam, da. Okay, so what we use here is very clearly to summarize that. So first of all, you use a preposition arka, and then after you put the person who it is. So which is me, so I put there am. So arkam, my behind. Okay, if you literal translation, if you make, So arkam, but so you must specify what is behind you. So I tell, I exactly say de da, arkam da. Okay, so for example, the wall is behind. The wall is behind. Duvar arkada. Who's behind? My behind. So I say the wall is behind me. So I say in Turkish, duvar benim arkamda. Okay. I think it's okay for you. If not okay, just write me your sentences, please. All right, now, guys, I would like to summarize what I did today. So I just try to help you learn some prepositions in Turkish. For example, in, içinde, on, üstünde, in front of, önünde, önünde, behind, arkasında. Okay, behind, arkasında. So after that, what did I say? In içinde I said on, üzerinde, in, içinde, in front of, önünde, behind, arkasında, arkada. And yeah, and one more thing actually I can say, next to, bitişiğinde, bitişiğinde, or you can say yanında. Guys, this is my first video lesson actually with you in Turkish. I hope it goes well with you. If you guys any questions about this lesson, please write to me, and I would love to hear from you below the videos. All right, thank you very much for your time again. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.